Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to your Friday. It's Lee here from Better Bond Cleaning. Just thought I'd give you a quick update on what's happening and what's been happening the last couple of weeks. First off, I would love to introduce some new franchises. We have a new franchise on the Gold Coast run by the lovely Jessica. Hi, Jessica, and welcome aboard. And we also have a new franchise down in Sydney, BJ. Welcome aboard as well. It's great to have you guys on board, and we look forward in working with you more. Just an update on some of the things that we've been progressing with. In order to assess the brand, we're starting to get a lot more feedback. We're asking clients for a lot more feedback to see how we're actually going in the marketplace. It's important that we understand the feedback, we understand what we're getting in regards to marketing. So it determines our marketing strategies. And of course, just general feedback. What can we improve? What can we do better on within the brand? So the first part that we've implemented is basically after you've done every job, now the client will have a chance to fill in some feedback. We're collating all of that feedback. Thus far, I've seen some really positive feedbacks. There's been some really good ones that have come through. So it's a good encouragement. Rather than just seeing, say, a negative Google review or something, it's good to see some positive things come through. So there are some good positive feedback out there. There also are some negative ones. As we know, some of them are valid and some of them, it's very difficult to satisfy everyone. So, but to let you know moving forward, I'm actually going to start sending you all some of your feedback so you can see what's going on. You can see from the customer's point of view how they felt with the experience, and also to improve our brand as collectively so we can build up, get more jobs. The idea is to build it bigger and better. So I'll start sending that through probably not next week, but maybe late next week to the week after. So just stay tuned for that. Also, I wanted to have a quick chat to you in regards to by moving with this feedback, we have had a couple of cases where we've had to go to review for different tribunals for different things. And I wanted to start sending some people that if there is a tribunal case involved, I'd like to send you the details, whoever it is, the details, so you understand that something is going on and we are actually doing something out there in there. We are attending things on behalf of us all, and also again to use those cases as a learning experience so we can get bigger and better, obviously moving forward. So look, they don't come along often. We generally try and move away anything that's fairly negative, fairly quick. And we can spot, obviously, when people are trying to take advantage of us fairly quick as well. But the occasional one that does get through, we are obligated to attend those hearings, and we do attend on behalf of a lot of different cleaners. So just to let you know that if any of you are in there, look, it's generally nothing serious, it's nothing to worry about, but it's just good feedback to understand what's going in behind the scenes. Now, last of all for this week, just letting you all know that we've drafted some letters and we've got a lot of marketing going out to different real estates in all your respective areas. We'll be rolling this out over the next 3 or 4 weeks. We've already had some positive feedback from real estate agents very interested in working with us. We're trying to get high-level contracts with the real estate, so like a Ray White, the larger type. I mean Ray White as an example, but the sitting at above the franchises, so at the high level management, so we can get a contract, say for instance all of Australia. We're definitely getting feedback from real estates as that they're interested in our services. They want some of our leaflets. We're actually providing them with material. We've got material. If anyone would like to see the material that we're providing them, just yell out. I'm happy to provide you with that material to have a look at. And we're providing them with a brochure on what we do, and also brochures that they can hand out to their clients as well. Look, that's it for me. I won't hold you for too long. I understand it's Friday and people have things to do. It was lovely to speak to you all, and hopefully we'll catch up again next week. Thank you. Bye.